Alrighty, welcome back to another episode. So we've just got this van in. The client has done step one of the van, which is usually all the services. So the air cons, all the cutouts, wherever the services are on your van, that's usually the first thing that we will do here. So the client's already done that. So now we are going to get started on stage two, which is your sound deadening. It is a Car Builders product. We are not sponsored by these guys or anything like that. It's just what we have found to be the best. We've used multiple different products and we always go back to this, and we won't change now. It works great. So it's like a sound deadening product is the stage one. You'll hear the difference if I give this one a tap over that. I'm doing it the exact same weight. A lot more drummier on this panel. It is so easy to use. It comes with a little box like this. You can buy a pack from them, which gives you the Stanley knife to cut it up, and then a roller for application. So make sure your panels are clean. So do it with like a white spirit, just with a rag. Put it on, make sure you clean, and then it's dried before you put the stuff on. So we've just got a backing that you'll peel off. You'll get your roller. Now you don't need to cover the whole area, all right? So you don't have to go crazy and put on the sound deadening in every single little spot. You can leave a little bit. I think it's 60% coverage, I believe is what they say on their website. I'll double check that one for you guys. But yeah, so you just quickly push it on with your hand. You'll get your roller, and then you just want to go through and roll the rest of it on. It's that easy. So as you can see, we'll go through and put that in all the areas on our roof linings. We won't put it anywhere, as I mentioned before, the client's already put those in, but if you are doing the van, don't put any of the stuff where you're gonna have your cutouts, because we've done it before. Forget about it, and then you go through and cut your services in, and you'll cook your blades, because as soon as this butyl, like rubber stuff, gets hot and you're trying to cut through the van, you'll destroy your blade. So try to remember, you want to keep that one out. But yeah, you just want to then go through and fill all the cavities with the Car Builder stage one, and then you can go to the next product, which is the Car Builder stage two, and we'll show you how we apply that one. Alrighty, stage two of our insulation. Again, all by Car Builders. It is the van liner. So it's a thermal and acoustic insulation. It's 10 mil thick. Again, it's the exact same sort of application. It's a peel and stick, and you just roll it on. So as you can see throughout the van, it is on, and you want to cover as much as possible with the van liner. Not like the stage one where you don't have to get full coverage. We want to cover as much as possible with the stage two. Super easy to put up though. So we've got a panel here, a little offcut. Again, you just peel that backing off. It has an adhesive that is quite sticky. So you'll pull that one off. We're going to get it. It's easier to pre-cut it before you put it on, so that you can just then get it in. And we can cut these edges off. So we're just going to temporarily push it in. We can cut these and trim these with our Stanley once it's on. So once you've got that in, you'll get the roller, which I don't have. But then exact same way, you're just going to go through, roll that in nice and tight. Make sure you cover all the areas, and then you can go through and trim up those little areas. That is stage two. So we are back in the van, and you can see the stage three insulation is on the walls. It is from Car Builders. I think this is one of the most important steps in insulating your van when it comes to insulating your van. So you can see the stage 1 and 2 is on. Now the stage 3 creates that cavity gap. You can see here in the back, we haven't put this panel in, we've left it off to show you guys. There's a gap here between the stage 2 and then where our linings will go. And the stage 3 is going to go on that point, but it keeps the cold and the hot in this cavity. It stops it from transferring through once we put our linings on. So you can see that on the walls throughout. We've put it everywhere. We've taped it up to our battens. We've pulled our wiring through, and then you can see our linings are starting to go on. And that is the last point of defense to stop the hot and the cold coming through. So in my opinion, it's one of the most important parts of insulating your van. A lot of people just stick to stage 1 and stage 2, but if you are doing it, don't skimp out. Make sure you put stage 3 in. I reckon it does make all the difference. Alrighty guys, so that is our insulation video. There are a lot of different opinions on this. We just found that using the CarBuilder stage 1, 2 and 3 personally works best for us. In Australia here, it doesn't get too cold, but that stage 1, 2 and 3 is super effective and we can't fault it. All of our clients have given us great feedback. Some have gone to Tasmania where it has been cold, even though they're equipped with a diesel heater. They have said that the insulation works really well. There is another option, and you'll see in this little clip above that you can put the sheep's wool in, 100% sheep's wool. That's another option. That CarBuilders do offer that product as well. But like you've seen in the video, we really rate stage 1, 2 and 3. So I hope that if you are going to be building your own van, that this will help, and hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.